नमस्कार मित्रांनो, तर मी आज तुमच्याबरोबर हा एक महाराष्ट्रीयन मेकअप लुक शेअर करणार आहे. Okay, I think I might surprise you guys that why I suddenly started to speak Marathi in my video. But anyways, in today's video I'm going to share with you this traditional Maharashtrian look. Although I've created Marathi makeup look for Ganesh festival, but this time I'm creating a traditional, like I've carried an entire Maharashtrian getup, like the jewelries and wearing sari, etc. So that's why I mentioned traditional Maharashtrian makeup look. So if you want to know more about this look, so keep on watching this video till end. Also, I will mention the link of the previous video in description box. So do check that out video after this video. So let's get started with this tutorial. So before I apply any makeup on my face, I'm going to do a small homemade remedy, that is applying this face pack of besan and haldi to get rid of sun tan. So talking about quantity, I have taken 2 tablespoons of besan and a pinch of haldi in it. So I'm adding water generously to make a thick paste out of this. Now I'm mixing this all together to make a thick paste, and I'm getting rid of lumps as well, and this is how the consistency should look like. And now I'm going to apply this pack all over my skin, that is my face and neck area, and I'm going to keep this for good 20 minutes, or I will keep it until it gets dried completely. Alright, after my pack gets dried completely, I'm not going to wash it out entirely. I'm going to keep a little bit on my skin so that I can scrub it like this on my face to get rid of dead skin cells and make my skin more smoother. Trust me guys, your skin is going to feel more refreshed after this. So I'm starting with this Pond's Gel Moisturizer and applying that all over my face and neck area. After moisturizing, I'm using this primer from Sugar Cosmetics. It's the Aquaholic primer. After this, let's get started with the eyebrows, and for eyebrows I'm using this eyebrow pencil from Sugar, and in this my shade is 02. Now let's move on to the foundation application. Over here I'm using the SKINgenius foundation from Nykaa, and this my shade is True Tan. So as you guys know, I like to apply my foundation in dots all over my face and neck area so that I don't overuse the product. After the dot process, I am blending this foundation well into my skin with help of this brush. Guys, as you can see how beautifully this foundation is blending into my skin and giving my skin a dewy finish look. Now let's get started with concealing. I'm using this Swiss Beauty concealer. You're going to see this concealer everywhere in every video of mine. This is my favorite concealer till now. Alright, now I'm applying this concealer under my eyes and also some problematic area near my mouth and on my nose. Oh, I forgot to mention, the shade of the concealer that I'm using is Warm Sand. Now to set my foundation and concealer, I'm using this compact powder from Sugar Cosmetics, and this my shade is 15, and I'm just dabbing this compact powder on my skin, that is my face and neck area. Okay guys, I'm using this liquid lipstick from Blue Heaven, and this is my new obsession recently, to use lipstick as blush because it really blends so well into my skin. I mean, just look at that finish, that pink glow on my cheeks. Over here we are done with face makeup. Now let's move on to eye makeup, and for that I'm going to use this dual eyeshadow stick from Sugar Cosmetics, and first I'm using this pink shade and I'm applying it all over my eyelids and blending really well into my eyelids. Next I'm going to use this shimmer shade from the same eyeshadow stick, and I'm applying it on my inner corners of my eyes and trying to create a half cut crease kind of look. So after this I'm going to apply glitters from Swiss Beauty, and I'm going to mix these 2 pink shades, that is light pink and dark pink, and I'm going to apply it on that half cut crease. And as you can see, adding glitter is a real game changer of this look. Now I'm using this green Kajal from Sugar Cosmetics, and the details and the shade name will be mentioned in the description box. Do check that out. Okay, The reason I'm using green kajal is because my sari is green color, so to add a pop of color I'm using green. Now I'm using this eyeliner from Lakme. My one of the favorite eyeliner is Lakme Insta liner, and I'm trying to create a wing eyeliner look. Now I'm using this mascara from Sugar, and I'm applying that mascara on my upper lashes and on my lower lashes, as I don't like falsies. That's why I'm using a good mascara. So today I'm going to use this lip combo, and for that I'm going to use this Wet n Wild lip liner and inside lipstick. The name of the shade will be mentioned in the description to check that out. So over here I realized that the lipstick is looking way too light. That's why I did some mix and match with other lip shade and created a new lip color, and this one I was satisfied with. It's time to change the outfit. So guys, what do you think about this look? Do you like it or not? Let me know in the comment section below. Also, if you like this video, make sure you hit the thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And thank you so much for watching this video. Bye bye.